Aí ó, queria dar um filho pra você cuidar, mas você quis guardar ele na boca. Que menina louca, que menina solta, solta demais. Queria dar meu filho pra você cuidar, mas você guardou ele na boca. Todo na boca, de uma forma ou outra. Que menina muito louca, chupa.
Okay, class, today we're going to do some question questions. So take out your math textbooks so we can get started.
Excuse me, Miss Cormier, but can I please use the bathroom?
You sure can, Riley Freeman, but please don't waste your time when you're there, because you don't want to miss it. And if you don't do everything stop there, we'll get in trouble.
I'm going to pour motor oil all over the school grounds. Ha 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 ha. Alright, I'm outside of the school building. Now to pour motor oil all over the school grounds, starting right now. Yes, I poured motor oil all over the school grounds. Yes, I poured motor oil all over the school grounds. Yes, I poured motor oil all over the school grounds. Hey, you Riley Freeman, why is there motor oil all over the school grounds? But you must have poured motor oil all over the school grounds, didn't you? Yes, I did it to pour motor oil all over the school grounds. Riley Freeman, are you serious right now? I can't believe you poured motor oil all over the school grounds. You know that doing an act is against the law. And thanks to you, it would take a very long time to clean up this oil off all over the school grounds. That's it. Get inside the school and go to the principal's office right now.
Riley Freeman, just how? I just got a proof with security cameras that you poured motor oil all over the school grounds. Is this really true?
As the matter of the truth, yes, I poured motor oil all over the school grounds.
Riley Freeman, what in the world is wrong with you? Pouring motor oil in school grounds, it is against the law. And thanks to you, it is going to take a very long time to clean the motor off of the school grounds. That's it. You're now booted from the school for 9 days. Now get out of this school and go home now. Riley Freeman, I cannot believe you got approved from school for pouring motor oil all over the school grounds. You know that doing an act is against the law. And you should be really ashamed of yourself, young man. Now it's going to take a very long time to clean the motor off of the school grounds because of you. That's it. You are grounded for 8 days. Go upstairs to your room right now.
Queria dar um filho pra você cuidar, mas você quis guardar ele na boca. Que menina louca, que menina solta, solta demais. Queria dar meu filho pra você cuidar, mas você guardou ele na boca. Todo na boca,